Welcome back, eh? This is the Canadian Silver Seeker, and today I would like to update you on what's the deal with sales tax on gold and silver in Canada. Well, I've learned a little bit more since the last time I made a video, and I figured I would share it with you and a few of the things that you should really watch out for as a new stacker in Canada. So, what's the law? This is right off the Canadian.ca Revenue Agency website, and it says, generally the sale of gold, platinum, or silver in bar, ingot, coin, or wafer form with a purity level of less than 99.5% for gold and platinum and less than 99.9% for silver is taxable at 7 or 15%. So, what does this mean for you as a Canadian? Well, what this really means for a Canadian is things like this beautiful Krugerrand here actually get taxed. And you might say, well, why? Why would you get taxed on that Krugerrand? Well, you get taxed on this Krugerrand because it's actually 22 karat gold. 22 karat gold is actually only 91.7% pure. So even though you're getting a 1 ounce full pure gold, there's a bit extra in this coin that is made of other metals. So that extra is actually, this coin actually weighs 33.9 grams. And a troy ounce only weighs 31.1, so that extra is that extra metal in there. So in Canada, if you're to purchase a Krugerrand, if you're to go to an online bullion dealer and find a Krugerrand and say a Gold Eagle, those are both 22 karat gold, and you will get charged tax on this when you buy this in the end. Other things to watch out for is things like pre-1933. If you buy this, if you're a collector and you just got to add it to your stack, that's fine. Just be aware that you are going to be paying the government tax. Things like even 80% and 90% silver. 80% from Canada, 90% from the US, you will get taxed on that as well. This is actually 50% in here. But you got to watch out because, unfortunately, places sometimes hide this a little bit. Sometimes it's just a glitch. In this case, I've been told it's just a glitch because I was actually adding stuff to this site last night and it was showing taxes in the subtotal and then an appropriate total. But tonight it's actually not doing that. And even if you're to hit the proceed to checkout, as you can see, it's grayed out here, but there's no taxes added and your subtotal is the same as your grand total. I actually gave these people a call this evening, and they were very gracious and courteous and helped me out. I was asked them, I wanted some clarification, you know. I understood the law said this, you know, why isn't it showing text on your site? And I believe it was last night. They've told me that there is a glitch on the site currently, and they are charging in the end, so you got to watch out because this would have been a hefty bill that would have got added onto your cart. We go to another site here and we just check out a Krugerrand. As we can see, about $2,600. If we proceed to check out, we will actually see $345.10 tax on this transaction. Ouch, with that you could have bought another 10-ounce bar almost. So yeah, with that extra transaction fee, technically a guy could go out, they could buy himself a more premium 1 ounce pure 999 gold like this 2017 Rooster. This is just an example. You could get something with a little bit more artwork or something that's more to your taste. This was just an example to show. Gold Bulls, they're pure gold. You don't get charged on any tax on those. Same with Maples, pure gold 9999, as well as the 10-ounce bars of silver, or really any pure silver. You're not going to get charged any tax on that when you proceed to your checkout. Your total is your total. As you can see, there is no change. So that's just something to watch out for as a Canadian. Maybe you want to add a little bit more silver to your stack. Maybe you want to add a little bit more gold. Maybe you really like a coin and you just got to add it to your stack, and you know you got to pay that tax in order to do so. But be aware that you'll get charged that tax. You know, I'm a collector too. There's certain coins I look at and I just have to add to my stack. You know, despite the extra premiums, and that's kind of what I look at the tax as. But you know, if you're just looking to stack weight, you might just want to steer clear. You might want to add a little more to your stack and get something a little more pure in Canada. Anyways, I hope this helps. I hope other people can avoid the sales tax trap that I got caught in. And yeah, happy stacking, eh? Like and subscribe.